Garden drones was a fun project that we did in an economics class, but you can do it in a graphics arts class or just simply an arts class. It was a lot of fun. I wanted to get the kids thinking about something real world, so why not drones for a garden? After all, drones are everywhere now, pretty much, and it gives kids the chance to get into something that maybe they didn't know much about. You can start out with a graphic organizer where each group, and this is principally a group project, can decide on the types of drones used today. And there are activity sheets with directions for the kids to follow. And as well, they'll be responsible for the drone design, the remote control design, and of course, the product features. There is a rubric for each drone that they have to do. 4 drones total. We had a lot of fun with this, and don't be put off and think it's too complex. Really, the kids enjoyed it and used Google Slides to present. I think it'd be great for you too. Take a chance. Thanks for watching.